With the results we have at the moment, we are really achieving a good quality of life for our people. The time that is invested in work is well spent. We do the right things at the right time, which leaves us time to enjoy outside and spend time with our families. One of our main shortcomings was that we were unable to have an overall idea of the health of our equipment.
Then also we had difficulty producing key performance indicators to be able to improve and see which sector was problematic or not.
We use practically 100% of the Spartakus modules, so all the results of vibration analysis, oil analysis results, operator routes, control valves, safety valves. Our pressure tanks are also managed via the Spartakus tool. I can give you a concrete example that happened to us recently. We had one of our machine rollers showing signs of failure in our regular vibration routes. We installed wireless sensors that are also connected to the Spartakus APM module, which allowed us to monitor the evolution of our roller in real time. Having that before, we would have stopped to make the repair to be sure to get through the weekend. There, we were able to monitor temperature and vibration, then to make the repair 3 weeks later during the planned shutdown. Since 2017, there have been many results. We had improvements in all areas. It's certain that it's not just the Spartakus tool, but Spartakus came to give us an additional tool to improve our machine reliability results. But it's a team effort with production, operators, and maintenance people. We all pitched in. We changed our processes. We changed our ways of doing things. Spartakus came to help us, but it also came from the plant's desire to achieve very good results. Here at the factory, to see how we've improved since 2017, we have two main indicators. The OEE, the overall equipment effectiveness, we went from about 75% in 2017 to currently today over 90% for all our paper machines. We also use the NBDT, the non-brand downtime. This encompasses both planned and unplanned downtime on our equipment. In 2017, we had a non-brand downtime of about 10%, and currently, as we speak, we have a non-brand downtime of 3.5%, which includes 1.5% of planned downtime. The time invested in work is well invested. We do the right things at the right time, which gives us time to enjoy outside and with our families.